If you're still jumping from one trading strategy to another, hoping the next one will finally fix your results, stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand why the problem isn't your strategy and what actually is. Let me say this up front, and I want you to hear it clearly. Every trading strategy has flaws. Every single one. Yes, even that strategy you saw on YouTube with 92% win rate and a rented Lamborghini in the background. The real job of a trader is not to find a perfect strategy. Your job is to find a strategy that fits you, and then have the discipline to stick to it. Now, here's the part most traders don't want to accept. A scalping strategy will stress you out if you hate fast decisions. A swing strategy will torture you if you're impatient. A low win rate strategy will destroy your confidence if you need constant validation. And a high win rate strategy will ruin you if you can't accept occasional big losses. Same market, same charts, same data, different people, different pain points. Yet most traders ignore this and keep asking the wrong question. Which strategy works best? That's like asking, which shoe is best? Best for who? Best for running? Best for hiking? Best for someone with flat feet? You don't lose money because your strategy has flaws. You lose money because you panic when those flaws show up. Let me give you a simple example. Trend-following strategies work great until the market ranges. Range trading strategies work beautifully until the market trends. So what does the undisciplined trader do? They switch strategies right at the worst time. They trend trade in a range. They range trade in a trend. They abandon a strategy right before it starts working again. That's not bad luck. That's bad commitment. Mark Douglas said something powerful. The hard part about trading is not the strategy, it's the trader's inability to execute it consistently. Read that again. Most traders don't fail because they chose the wrong strategy. They fail because they can't stay emotionally aligned with the one they chose. Think about this. A strategy with a 40% win rate can be very profitable, but emotionally, it's brutal. You lose more often than you win. So if you're the kind of person who feels something is wrong after 2 losses in a row, that strategy will break you, even if it's mathematically solid. On the other hand, a 70% win rate strategy feels amazing until one loss wipes out the last 5 wins. Now your brain starts screaming, "This strategy is dangerous. This is not safe. I need something better." No, you need emotional maturity, not a new strategy. Here's a truth most trading courses won't tell you. Your personality is part of your trading system. Ignore it, and you will self-sabotage. That's why 2 traders can trade the same setup. One becomes profitable. The other blows the account. Same rules, different discipline. And let's add some honesty here. If strategy hopping made traders profitable, most traders would be rich by now. But what do we actually see? Endless backtesting, endless tweaking, endless new indicators, endless one last strategy. That's not learning. That's avoidance. You're avoiding the real work. Sitting through drawdowns, taking losses without revenge trading, following rules when you're bored, trusting probabilities instead of emotions. Here's a fact you need to accept if you want consistency. No strategy will save you from discomfort. Losses are not a flaw. Drawdowns are not a flaw. Boring periods are not a flaw. They are the cost of participation. The goal is not to eliminate pain. The goal is to choose pain you can tolerate. Ask yourself honestly, can I handle long losing streaks? Can I wait days for a setup? Can I sit on my hands and do nothing? Can I follow rules when I'm angry, bored, or overconfident? Those answers matter more than any indicator. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop asking, is this strategy perfect? Start asking, can I execute this strategy for the next 200 trades without changing it? If the answer is no, it doesn't matter how good it looks on paper. Consistency doesn't come from finding something new, it comes from committing to something boring and doing it well. That's why professional traders look calm. They're not smarter. They're not luckier. They're just not at war with their own system. So choose a strategy that matches your schedule, your patience level, your risk tolerance, your emotional limits. Then stop tweaking, stop comparing, stop chasing, because the market doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards discipline under uncertainty. Every strategy has flaws. Your job is not to eliminate them. Your job is to master yourself around them. If you want to win consistently, stop searching for a better strategy and start becoming a better executor. That's how real traders are built.